Bata, batuta, tinda, muta. Butikaw, di ba ikaw? Art Challenge Episode 2. With tugtuga ako sa manok. Earlier, I rummaged through a ton of my old artworks, and I have decided for this episode that I'm gonna be redrawing and recreating one of my old drawing from way back when. But before that, I'm gonna be sharing you something. Way back in school, I used to draw random stuff at the back of activity workbooks, and then I utilize the blank pages, sort of my way of practicing my drawing skills. I never had any formal lessons though, so I am self-taught, and I even took BS Accountancy as a course. Nagmahay ko, di ko siya. And then I also love to do DIY. I have a couple of these where I created a hardbound for my original artworks and compiled it into one book. I love to draw grayscale, and then this one is my old, the earliest portrait that I did. It's Eminem. I'm not sure if it's Eminem, but it is Eminem. And then I also have drawings inspired by Star Wars before, where I drew characters on this side and then created a bio or profile. Di ko sure saan akong gipanuhot sa una. I even used a typewriter, which we still have that typewriter today. Di man tuusong computer sa una. So this one. But for today's episode, I'm gonna be redrawing this original character. I mean, one of this. I have chosen this one randomly, and it was drawn 2003. You can see that. So I haven't named this before. So if you have any idea or suggestions on what we should call this, feel free to comment below. But I'm gonna be redrawing this now. So here's the final outcome of the drawing that I did earlier. The original was done April 29, 2003. And then 15 years after, here it is. Let me know which of the two do you like best, or basig wala sad magiganahan, comment ra Japon mo. And also follow my Instagram account at Lanierski for more art updates and any random stuff. So until next episode, goodbye.